If Canva is showing an error occurred message, don't worry, this is usually a simple issue you can fix in just a few minutes. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to fix Canva error occurred step by step, so you can get back to editing without wasting time. We'll start with the easiest fix first, then move into browser troubleshooting, and finally check whether Canva itself is having a temporary outage. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Let's jump in. First, the quickest thing you should try is refreshing the page. If Canva loads an error message, press Ctrl and R on your keyboard to reload the browser. In many cases, the problem is just a temporary glitch, and a simple refresh is enough to get Canva working again. If the page opens normally after refreshing, you're all set. If the error is still there, the next thing to check is your internet connection. Open a new tab and search for a speed test, then run the test to make sure your connection is stable. Canva depends on a reliable internet connection, so if your speed is slow or your connection is dropping in and out, that can trigger the error occurred message. If your internet looks weak, try switching networks, reconnecting your Wi-Fi, or restarting your router. Now let's clear your browser cache, because old stored data can often cause Canva to load incorrectly. To do this in most browsers, click the three dots in the top corner, go to Settings, then open Privacy. From there, choose Clear Browsing Data. When the options appear, make sure Cached Images and Files is selected, then click Clear. Once the cache is removed, close the browser completely and open Canva again to test it. This step often fixes loading problems caused by corrupted temporary files. If Canva is still giving you trouble, the next step is to disable browser extensions, especially ad blockers. Some extensions can interfere with Canva's scripts and stop pages from loading properly. Click the three dots again, go to Extensions, then open Manage Extensions. Look for any ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or anything that could affect website behavior and turn them off temporarily. After disabling them, reload Canva and see if the error is gone. If Canva works after that, you'll know one of your extensions was causing the issue. Another very important thing to check is whether Canva is down for everyone or just for you. Open your browser and search for Canva down. You can also check a website status service or search recent reports online. If Canva is experiencing a server problem, there may be nothing wrong with your device or browser at all. In that case, the best solution is to wait until Canva restores service and then try again later. So to quickly recap, the main fixes are: refresh the page with Ctrl and R, test your internet speed, clear your browser cache, disable extensions like ad blockers, and check whether Canvas is down. These steps solve most Canva error occurred issues without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If the video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, because I post more simple tutorials and tech fixes that save you time. Thanks for watching, and I hope Canva is working perfectly for you again now.